Well, we all love drones, don't we? But we really can't fly them without crashing every time. Me. So please meet Dronomy, which will transplant a brain to your drones. Ori, please take the stage.
Hi, I'm Ori, and I'm going to talk about drones. Drones have seen tremendous growth in the previous years in various industries. They are used to video photograph extreme sports. They're used for documenting social events, but they're also used in the industry for inspection of large engineering structures, such as wind turbines, such as oil and gas refineries, and bridges, electric power lines, mostly to find defects periodically in those structures. They're also used for 3D mapping of construction structures. They're used for agriculture from high altitudes and for low altitudes. So there's a lot of business potential, each of these verticals worth billions of dollars waiting for the drone industry to capture. But they also need trained and skilled pilots to pilot these drones to get those images. Now, this is, anyway, controlling a drone requires a lot of skill, and basically the operator needs to control the drone through sticks like this and change the gaze from the drone to the picture that is obtained from the camera on board the drone. Now, this is not easy to do both things at once, and usually what you see is what you just saw here. This is not a trained pilot. We missed the trained pilot. So this is a major problem, and it's a major hurdle to get all the benefits that are possible in this industry. Now, Dronomy is here to solve that. Dronomy will transform a drone with a camera into a camera that can fly by enabling the drone to fly autonomously among obstacles. Now, how do we do it? We mounted on a drone a sensor that sensors the obstacles around it and classifies them. On the other hand, we are developing a user interface, either directly to the user or through a third-party software, to get the system to understand what the mission is for the drone. And then our autonomous flight manager creates a path for the drone that is optimized to perform the mission that was defined to it while maneuvering among the obstacles without hitting them. Now, if we take a look, and if you can move the video to our sensor, you will be able to see how our sensor images the environment, if that works, hopefully. And if not, we'll go back to the picture. Our sensor analyzes the obstacles around it, measures the distance to the objects, and then enables the flight manager to find the right path, and hopefully we'll get back to it in a minute. Okay, so we can see the audience here, the distinguished judges, and we can see the color coding of the range. Now, if we take this balloon, for example, and we put it here, we see that it is color coded differently, also myself, which means that the system understands that it is closer than the people in the back. Now, this is enough information for the drone to make a decision where to go without hitting the obstacles. So the drone can actually fly. Can you go back to my computer? The drone can actually fly among these obstacles without hitting them, and enabling the user to focus on the mission for the drone. Today, usually photography, and in the future, maybe other applications as well. So how far do we need to see the obstacles? Well, that depends. That depends on how long it takes for the drone to stop or maneuver. And that depends on the drone velocity. So we went out to the market to analyze what are the velocities and altitudes required for us to support. So basically, we analyzed the market, and we saw that there are applications in the high altitudes where there are no obstacles. They fly fast, but they don't need us to detect the obstacles. On the other hand, there are toys, we're not there. But most of the industry is about flying in low altitudes, outdoors, in speeds of about 12 meters. And this is where Dronomy is providing the solution. This is where most of the value of the industry is. We are already working with different verticals on the business development. We have companies we talk with in each of these verticals worth billions of dollars potentially for drones. Just a little bit about us. Guy and I are Talpiot graduates. I got my MBA from INSEAD. Guy is a PhD from Weizmann. We both have a lot of experience in computer vision. My previous startup was in that area. Guy was working on the autonomous car of General Motors. We have a great team of engineers, but we're looking for more women to join our team. And we have incredible investors. And we're Dronomy. We're making brains for drones, and we're going to change the drone industry. Thank you.